Hello everyone, welcome to Archa's Kids.
Today we are going to learn three-letter blend, that is CVC blends with short O sound. Before that, let us quickly go through two-letter blends with short O sound. Let's start. Bo, ko, do, fo, go, ho, jo, ko, lo, mo, no, po, qua, ro, to, wo, zo, yo, zo.
Well done. Now we will try to read three letters blend with short O sound. Let's get started. Fog, fog. Jog, jog. Log, log. Dog, dog. Hog, hog. Very good. Now we will read some more words in rhythm. Top, mop. Hop, lot. Pot, dot. Cot, hot. Ox, box. Fox, pod. Nod, god. Rod. Very good. Practice all the three-letter words with short O sound and try to write them with the help of your mom and dad. And in the next lesson, we will learn three-letter blends with short U sound. Bye for now. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of latest videos. Thanks for watching.